Awesome Wales Enterprises. We're a community interest company. We run 3 zero waste shops across Cardiff and the Vale of Glamorgan. So it allows people to come and refill their containers for things like rice, pasta, herbs and spices, washing up liquid, toiletries. We also stock a lot of eco-friendly homewares, gift products and toys and that kind of thing as well. One of the big things we wanted when we opened the store was to make sure that it was a space that the community could use for their own events and gatherings, somewhere to share ideas and build genuine relationships in the community. And we're really pleased that lots of groups have started to use the space for that.
Eco Mums is an inclusive group aimed at parents, caregivers with their small people. Everybody's welcome. A lot of us use cloth nappies, breastfeeding and baby wearing as tools. There wasn't any support around before I started this group, so we were so keen when this opportunity came to Awesome and we could have a group here weekly to give that support back to the community.
Through the EU funds, through the European Regional Development Fund, we had a loan and a matched grant that allowed us to put together all the setup costs for the shop here in Barry. We literally couldn't have afforded to do it without it. It makes us feel really proud when people come back to us, you know, week in, week out. They trust us to be their community hub. They trust us to be their local shop.
We do a lot with the community. We've had a knitting group in that we've joined that's been really nice and helpful. It helps people get out of the house that don't normally have things to do.
And it's also lovely to sort of see our community grow. Our Eco Mums group, when we first set it up, literally we had bumps and babies, and now the children are coming back and they all know my name. We're not a charity here, we're a social business, and we're not reliant on handouts all the time. We're reliant on trading income, but our initial setup costs, the advice that we had from WCBA and the hand-holding that we had in our business planning process, we wouldn't have been where we are now without that. It's definitely not a faceless organisation. We're very much part of our community. People know our names, I know the names of my customers. It's lovely to be part of that and sort of be delivering a really positive project in the town that we live in.